Welcome back to AS Motorzone, where machines are not just built, they are crafted like masterpieces. Today we are looking at something that doesn't officially exist yet, but if Rolls-Royce ever built a motorhome, this is exactly how it would look. A full-size, ultra-luxury Rolls-Royce-inspired motorhome, combining British elegance with American road dominance, designed for people who don't just travel, they arrive in style. At first glance, the exterior speaks pure Rolls-Royce DNA. The signature massive front grille dominates the front fascia, glowing softly with a luxury LED outline. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy sits proudly at the front, symbolizing class, power, and timeless prestige. The body design is long, smooth, and perfectly balanced, painted in deep gloss black with chrome accents running along the edges. Every curve is intentional, every line is silent luxury. The LED headlights are sharp yet elegant, shaped like precision-cut diamonds. They don't just light the road, they define it. The side profile of this motorhome is massive, but it doesn't feel heavy. Instead, it feels like a luxury yacht on wheels. Huge panoramic windows run across the body, giving a glimpse of the ultra-premium interior while maintaining complete privacy with smart tint technology. The wheels are pure Rolls-Royce signature design. Large, multi-spoke alloy rims with self-leveling center caps that keep the logo perfectly upright even while driving. The tires are reinforced for long-distance luxury touring, built to glide smoothly over highways, mountains, and city roads without disturbing the comfort inside. Now step closer and imagine the doors slowly opening like a private jet cabin. As you enter, the world outside disappears instantly. Inside, the driver cabin is nothing short of a luxury cockpit. Wrapped in hand-stitched premium leather, polished wood trims, and brushed aluminum details, everything feels handcrafted. The steering wheel is thick, elegant, and perfectly balanced. Behind it sits a fully digital instrument cluster, but still designed with classic luxury simplicity. The center console flows like art, featuring a massive infotainment system that controls navigation, entertainment, climate, and vehicle intelligence. But this is not just a driver's seat, it is a command lounge. Move further back, and you enter the main lounge area, which feels more like a private penthouse than a vehicle. Soft leather recliner sofas are placed opposite each other, designed for ultimate relaxation during long journeys. A crystal center table sits in the middle, with ambient lighting underneath that changes color depending on mood or time of day. The ceiling is wrapped in starlight fiber optics, just like Rolls-Royce's famous Starlight headliner, creating a sky-like atmosphere inside the cabin. At night, it feels like you are traveling under a galaxy. On one side, you have a fully hidden entertainment wall with a large 4K screen that rises with a touch command. Surround sound speakers are integrated into the walls, delivering a cinema-like experience on the road. Whether you are watching movies, holding meetings, or just relaxing, this lounge adapts to your lifestyle. Now let's talk about the kitchen area. It is compact but extremely premium. Everything is hidden inside sleek cabinetry. There is a built-in induction cooktop, a smart microwave, a mini refrigerator, and a coffee system that feels straight out of a luxury hotel suite. The sink is made from brushed steel with touch-controlled water flow. Even while traveling across continents, you can still enjoy fresh meals and barista-level coffee. Next comes the bedroom, and this is where comfort reaches another level. A full-size king bed sits in the center with ultra-soft orthopedic mattress support. The headboard is wrapped in leather and illuminated with soft ambient lighting. Side cabinets open electronically, revealing storage for clothes and personal items. Large windows on both sides can switch from transparent to opaque with a single touch, giving complete privacy anytime you want. The bathroom is equally impressive. It features a glass-enclosed rainfall shower, a smart toilet system, heated flooring, and luxury stone finish throughout. Even the smallest detail is designed to feel like a five-star hotel suite on wheels. Hot water, ventilation, and lighting are all controlled digitally. Now let's talk about what powers this luxury machine. Underneath this masterpiece is a high-performance hybrid Rolls-Royce-inspired engine system designed for silent yet powerful cruising. It delivers smooth torque, effortless acceleration, and complete stability even at high speeds. The focus is not speed, it is silence, comfort, and control. The ride feels like you are floating above the road. The suspension system is adaptive air suspension, constantly adjusting to road conditions in real time. Whether you are driving on smooth highways in the USA or rough mountain roads, the cabin remains perfectly stable with zero vibration. The tires are reinforced ultra-luxury touring tires, designed to reduce noise and maximize grip. Combined with advanced braking systems and smart traction control, this motorhome stays safe and stable in every condition. And finally, the driver experience. This is not just driving, it is effortless control. The cabin is equipped with AI-assisted driving features, 360-degree cameras, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and smart navigation. Long journeys feel relaxed, not tiring. Everything is designed so the driver feels in command without stress. So what we are looking at here is not just a motorhome. It is a Rolls-Royce-inspired palace on wheels, a combination of engineering, luxury, and imagination built for those who refuse to compromise. If Rolls-Royce ever enters the motorhome world, this is exactly what it would feel like. And that's it for today's feature on 8's Motorzone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more insane luxury machines from around the world and beyond reality.